Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Is BMI still a reliable health metric in aging populations? Body mass index is key method for measuring a person's weight status and defining if they have normal weight, overweight or obesity. However, new research to be presented at this year's European Congress on Obesity shows that people with obesity at similar BMIs display significant differences in body composition in different body compartments according to their age group, such as higher body fat, especially in central regions, and lower muscle mass in arms and legs. Obesity is a major health problem characterized by an excessive accumulation of body fat that can also coexist with a reduction in lean mass. In people with obesity, little is still known about the changes in fat and lean masses across the lifespan. Thus, the authors in this new study aim to analyze the differences in the total and segmental body composition between age groups. A total of 2,844 adults of both sex and a body mass index of 25 kg per meter square and above underwent body composition assessment by means of dual energy X-ray absorptiometry. The sample was categorized into three different age groups: young age 20 to 39 years, middle age 40 to 59 years, and older age 60 to 79 years adults that were compared with each other after being matched by body weight and body mass index. The males showed an increased trend in total body fat percentage and a decreasing total lean mass from the younger to older groups, while females maintained similar values for these total compartments across three age groups. However, more interestingly, participants in middle and older age groups of both sexes showed higher trunk fat percentage and lower appendicular lean mass with respect to the younger age group, revealing higher abdominal fat and lower muscle mass in arms and legs, despite the fact that all age group in this study were of similar body mass index. The authors hence explain that this redistribution may have major negative health consequences such as low-grade chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and increase in the risk of several cardiometabolic diseases without significant changes in body mass index. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.